When it comes to car detailing, sometimes a bucket and sponge just aren't enough. If you want professional-level results at home, a high-quality car wash air gun can save time, clean hard-to-reach spots, and make your car shine like new. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 best car wash air guns of 2025, from foam sprayers to high-pressure cleaning tools. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. Tornado Pneumatic Air Blow Dust Gun. Pneumatic cleaning gun for interior and exterior. Compatible with blaster vacuum cleaners. Tornado-style rotation for deep dust removal. Ideal for car detailing, especially dashboards, vents, and carpets. The Tornado Pneumatic Air Gun is a staple in professional car detailing. Its rotating air and cleaning solution mix penetrates deep into fabrics and crevices, removing dirt that's impossible to reach with a cloth. Great for cleaning cup holders, seat seams, and air vents. Pros: deep cleans in hard-to-reach areas. Works with standard air compressors. Versatile for both dusting and wet cleaning. Cons: requires an air compressor to operate. Number 2. SPTA Pneumatic Air Cleaning Foam Nozzle Gun. Foam nozzle sprayer for car washing. Works with an air compressor. Ideal for pre-soaking and loosening dirt before rinsing. This SPTA foam nozzle gun makes washing your car easier and faster. By spraying thick foam, it helps loosen dirt so you don't scratch the paint while scrubbing. Works well on both cars and motorcycles. Pros: creates thick, clinging foam. Speeds up the washing process. Reduces risk of paint scratches. Cons: foam thickness depends on compressor strength. Number 3. SPTA Car Interior and Exterior Deep Cleaning Long Foam Gun. Long nozzle for hard-to-reach areas. Foam spray for exterior cleaning. High-pressure water and air mix for better dirt removal. This SPTA foam gun is perfect if you want one tool for both interior crevices and exterior bodywork. The long nozzle reaches under seats and into tight corners, while the foam function makes exterior washing quick and effective. Pros: long reach for tight spaces. Works for both interior and exterior. Adjustable spray pattern. Cons: slightly bulkier than compact models. Number 4. Car Jet Washer Gun Handheld Steam Cleaner. High-pressure steam cleaning for tough grime. Suitable for car parts, engines, and even home use. Works on air conditioning vents, kitchen hoods, and more. If you need heavy-duty cleaning power, this steam washer gun is a multi-purpose tool. The steam breaks down oil, grease, and stubborn dirt without harsh chemicals. Also doubles as a household cleaning solution. Pros: eco-friendly cleaning with steam. Great for engines and greasy areas. Multi-purpose for home and car. Cons: requires heating time before use. Number 5. Replacement High-Pressure Short Washer Gun ST2300. Short Trigger Gun Design. Max pressure 4,500 psi/310 bar. 1/4 inch quick connector. Ideal for pressure washer upgrades. The ST2300 short washer gun is built for power. Perfect for those who already own a pressure washer but want more control and durability. Great for washing cars, driveways, and even boats. Pros: extremely durable and heavy-duty. Compact design for better control. Fits most standard pressure washers. Cons: only useful if you already have a pressure washer. And that's our list of the top 5 best car wash air guns for 2025. For deep interior detailing, the Tornado Pneumatic Gun is unbeatable. If you want quick and safe exterior washing, the SPTA foam guns are a great choice. And for heavy-duty power, the ST2300 short washer gun is a professional-grade upgrade. I've left links to all of them in the description so you can check today's prices. Which one would you use for your next car wash? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.